front side of the park. Needed to get a highly caffeinated beverage. Oh, there goes the blue jay. Pretty calm, no wind. Makes it easier to spot birds. The leaves aren't moving as much, so you can see just about any movement. Always helps for a day of doing photography with birds. The branches aren't moving and swaying, so you can tend to use a little bit slower shutter speeds. Helps out. Seatbelt. Can't forget. Click it or ticket. Gonna go to the back side of the park. On this channel, I'm gonna give away some of like the I guess neighborhood watering holes for birds. Some of them I'll just say like the parish, because I can't really give away the locations of them, because some of the other guys tend to you know, it's kind of frowned upon, I guess you could say, you know, because then we'll have 10,000 people out there because there's one particular bird, and then the bird gets scared off, and then nobody gets a picture of it, and we kind of don't want to disturb some of these birds, you know. You can see over here straight ahead in that field, I don't know, maybe I could zoom in on this camera later, but there's all black-bellied whistling ducks, known as a tree duck. They pretty much everywhere, and they are tens of thousands of them over here usually, and the noise is pretty wild that they make, because they're all squeaking at the same time pretty much. There's some white ibis here. American coots I see out here. Alright, we're at the first spot. Trying to get a clear shot here. Roseate spoonbill. You see how it's swinging its head back and forth, feeding here. Change my angle over here. Trying to get a clean shot. Where the sun is at your back. He's watching me, not wanting to move now. Trying to catch something. Oh well, let's try something else. See some small birds up in here. Bunch of butterbutts, yellow rump warblers. The sun just hitting that beak rate. Of course, you turn and look at me. Looking right at me. You turn just a little bit. The other way. There you go. Love it. I think I got some good shots. Here we are, about 8:30. Light's starting to get a little bit harsh. Not too bad. Usually about 10:30. Depends on how good the bird action is out here, wildlife wise. Sometimes you can find the shade under tree canopies and still keep shooting and getting some nice images. Usually 10:30, 11 o'clock is about the cutoff point for me. Unless everything is just perfect settings and no wind and there's all kinds of crazy stuff going on, I might hang out a little longer. Or if I did travel, you know, an hour or two to get there, I typically will stay longer. But here I'm not super far from my house, so this is just one of the nice local things here in Metairie, Louisiana that people can go to and check out and get you out the house for a little while. Get off the sofa, get out there, you know, check out what wildlife you have, even if you're not in this state, you know. There's plenty of nice places to go all over the United States, and you know, get up off the sofa, turn off the TV, turn off the Netflix, get out there, grab your cell phone camera. They actually sell zoom lenses for cell phone cameras, decent ones, for like 20 bucks. So you can clip it on your phone, and most of these cameras got fairly decent high megapixels, so you don't have to have camera equipment. You don't have to have any camera equipment. You can just go out with some binoculars or just use your regular eyes and enjoy the fresh air. You know, bring your little bag in case you see some trash. Help keep it clean, because there's plenty of litter bugs that don't give a crap. They throw trash on the ground. Try to keep this place clean. I always keep a plastic grocery bag in my pocket. I guess this will conclude this video. I guess hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and there will be plenty more videos coming with lots of wildlife content. So hit the thumbs up if you like the video, hit that subscribe button, you know, hit the bell for the notifications, and see you on the next one.